G'day Australia, Coram here from Universal Fuse. I've got my hands on a 2020 Hilux and we're going to work out a couple of new plug and play adapters for this car because there's been a change from the 2019 Hilux to the 2020 Hilux. They've changed some of the harnesses and interface points behind the audio unit, which has affected some of our plug and play kits. They haven't been applicable to the new Hilux, which we've only just recently discovered when we went to interface a couple. Seems to be a little bit of a crossover. Some vehicles have the old plugs, some of the 2020 vehicles have the new plugs, but all the 2021 vehicles have the new plugs. So I'm going to rip this bad boy apart now, map all the wiring and all the plug interface points, and then we'll be able to build up some new plug and play solutions for the new 2021 Hilux so that we have you covered for upgrades across the board on the Hilux. Very popular model, particularly this year when it seems that buying a new car is almost cheaper than buying a second-hand car. So a lot of these things seem to be flying out the door at Toyota dealerships. They're all over the street. They're coming into the workshop thick and fast, which is good. So we're going to be able to build up these solutions for you and get some good DIY plug and play packs ready ASAP. Talk soon.